Sloan tonight. Thanks. Also new at 6 on Color 10. 3D printing is certainly changing medicine and science these days, and it can also make some pretty cool toys. These Nixa 5th and 6th graders made a whistle today with a 3D printer. Students are all part of a class called the Alert Class. It's a gifted student program. They've been using the 3D printer for about a week as part of their studies in robotics and engineering. Students know the technology is changing the world.
Some people are using it to make prosthetic arms and legs. Like if people lose their leg, then people can use the 3D printer to create a new one. And they're trying to escalate it enough to where they can even make organs.
You want a cup, if you want, we could just bring that into the world and just make our own kind of inventions and stuff like that.
Really cool stuff, kiddos. The Alert Club, by the way, saved and used its own funding to pay for that 3D printer.
That is neat. Inman have a really cool new learning tool, a 3D printer. They've had the printer now for just over a week, and this thing is pretty darn cool.
The coolest thing we can probably make is, as he's making right now, a city. That would be very cool.
Students are learning math concepts by using the 3D printer.